In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily disable Twitter app without deleting it on your iPhone or iPad. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's get started, and first off, open up settings, then head over to general and then iPhone storage. Once you are in here, just scroll down until you find the Twitter app in that big list. Then just get into it, and that's where you can disable Twitter app without deleting it. All you have to do is just hit at offload app and then offload app again. And what that will do, that will delete Twitter app files that may help you to free up some disk space, but it will keep all your documents and data, including your personal information and login data, on your device. Now we can hop out settings, and as you can see, there is that cloud icon next to Twitter app name, which means that Twitter app has just been offloaded. And then if you want to enable Twitter app again, you can do it right from here by hitting add reinstall app, or you can just tap at Twitter app icon and it will automatically download all necessary files. And after the download process is complete, you will be able to use Twitter app as before without even re-entering your login information. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.